Have you ever noticed that one kid who barely studies but still gets everything right? While you're pulling all-nighters, they're chilling, scrolling, vibing, and somehow acing the test. You think they're a genius, but they're not. They just know how to make their brain work for them, not against them. Because here's the truth. Genius isn't about IQ. It's about strategy.
Chapter 1: The Illusion of Hard Work. We've been told that studying harder means doing more. More hours, more notes, more burnout. But the truth? Your brain doesn't reward effort. It rewards efficiency. You can spend 6 hours rereading the same chapter and remember nothing, or 30 minutes engaging with it and remember everything. That's the genius difference. They don't study more, they study smart.
Chapter 2: The Genius Loop. The real secret? Something called retrieval practice. It's when you pull information out of your brain instead of just pushing it in. When you reread, you're recognizing information. When you recall, you're rebuilding it, and that's what strengthens memory. Think of it like this. Recognition is browsing a file. Recall is pressing Save As. So next time, instead of rereading your notes, close the book and explain what you just learned like you're teaching a 5-year-old. That's how geniuses study.
Chapter 3: The 3R Method. Here's the system top learners use. Simple but brutal. Step 1: Retrieve. Study for 25 minutes, then close everything. Write or speak what you remember. Step 2: Review. Open your notes. Fix only the parts you got wrong. Step 3: Rest. Take a short break, because that's when your brain stores what you just learned. Most people skip the rest, and that's like pressing save and shutting down before it finishes.
Chapter 4: The Real Genius Move. Here's the truth. Geniuses don't trust motivation. They trust systems. They don't sit there waiting to feel ready. They design habits that make studying automatic. Start small. One topic, one recall session, one win. Because consistency, not effort, rewires your brain. You don't need to be born brilliant. You just need to study like someone who knows how the brain learns. So stop grinding harder. Start thinking smarter. Because studying like a genius isn't about doing more work. It's about doing the right work for less time and way better results.